Episode 27, Xavier's Works with Local Leadership. Hello everyone, in this episode we dwell into St. Francis Xavier's instrumental role in training and empowering local converts and leaders. Xavier's approach to nurturing local leadership within the Church played a crucial role in shaping the enduring impact of local church leadership. Xavier's role in training local converts and leaders. St. Francis Xavier recognized the importance of cultivating local converts and leaders to spearhead the growth and establishment of the Church. His efforts were crucial in developing a strong foundation for local church leadership. Empowerment of local converts. Xavier actively worked towards empowering local converts by providing them with education, spiritual guidance, and leadership trainings. His aim was to create a network of empowered individuals to lead the local church. Development of local leaders. Xavier's approach included mentorship and guidance for local leaders, instilling in them the necessary skills and knowledge to serve as effective leaders within the church and their communities. Promoting self-sufficiency in church leadership. Xavier's emphasis on training local leaders aimed at creating self-sufficiency within the church. His approach allowed the church to be led by individuals familiar with the local culture and traditions. Enduring impact on local church leadership. Xavier's approach had an enduring impact on local church leadership. His efforts in training and empowering local converts and leaders laid the groundwork for the sustainable and robust church structures. Legacy of Xavier's local leadership training. The legacy of Xavier's emphasis on local leadership training remains evident in the church structures. Local leadership, nurtured and empowered by his approach, continue to play a significant role in church leadership. Importance of local leadership in the church. Xavier's approach underscored the importance of local leadership. Local leaders not only understood the cultural nuances but also instrumental in guiding and leading the church in a way that resonated with the local communities. Sustaining local church communities. The sustainability of local church communities owes much to Xavier's approach. The local leadership he fostered provided sustainability and continuity, ensuring the growth and sustainability of the church. St. Francis Xavier's work with the converts and local leadership had a profound and enduring impact on local church leadership. His emphasis on training and empowering local leaders has been instrumental in creating sustainable and culturally sensitive foundations for the church. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's approach to nurturing local church leadership remains a testament to the importance of local empowerment in sustaining and fostering church communities.